The O-level physics gas paper, while it's pretty tricky because the papers have been repeated, right? They have been repeated with a period of like 4 to 5 years as well. Some of the questions you will also come across, the duration is like they have been repeated in a period of 4 to 5 years. So we will be looking at them and trying to figure out that what could have come into the exams. As this is the subject which I have been teaching for so long, so it takes a time, right? So you are familiar with the concept. So starting off with this paper, this is 505421 May June, and the questions you have to look for. Questions are question number 3. Which one is question number 3? This one. Yes, this one, the extension load one. This question number 3, part C, and this is why I have written it down, part C. And then we have question number 10. 10. 10. This is the question. Okay, circuit diagram, connections to the motor, ammeter, gravitation, potential energy. And because of part B especially, this is the one. Write the coils and everything, you should be familiar with it. Alternating current. Okay, so these are the two questions. Okay, looking at these papers, I have come to this conclusion, right? May June 2002, question number 3 and 10. Then is October November 18, question 7. This is 7. Okay, 7 and 9. Okay, these are the questions that I have figured out, and of May June 14, 1, 3, 4 and 9. Right, if you look at this paper now, you will realize why I have selected it. This is the 9th one, right? This is the 9th part, right? About a turbine, because most of the students, when they were appearing and I was teaching, so they had this problem that they were unable to solve this because of this turbine. When they look at the turbine picture, they said, okay, now we are done and dusted. But it's not the case. It's not over yet. And by one, this is due to diagram, this resultant force. I am expecting that this resultant force would come. Right, 1, 3. Now, if you look at this paper, and if you look closely, monitor, it has been repeated in the 19 exam, 2019. Okay, specific it, same question has been repeated, so please be mindful. Okay, so I was saying 1, 3, 4, 4 is this one, iron core. You have to draw something as well. At times you have to draw and show it as well. Cathode ray oscilloscope. So 4, 3, 1, 3, 4 and 9. So I hope that it's clear. 1, 3, 4 and 9. So the other questions are from this 2, 1, May, June 19. These are the questions 5, 7 and 9. And from 17 May, June 17, 22, 7, 9 and 11. These were the topics that I didn't cover in the earlier. So 7, question number 7, if you look at question number 7, 9 and 11. This is the 11th one. This is a very important question when it comes to radioactivity and the magnetic field. So they have clubbed the two. That how it can be clubbed. It is a part which I am think that can be asked. And question number 9. 9 is this. Drawing the image. Right? All about reflection, refractive index and each and everything. And question number 7. 7 is this one. This again simple question of alternating current and radiation. So you should be familiar with it. Okay, how it can be increased, decreased. Thing which remains is one thing, and that is the device. Which device is going to be up here, right? I am thinking when we talk about that, I am thinking that photocopier would come, and that would be something that has been not tested in the recent attempts. Bell has been tested recently, etc., but not this. So functions of a photocopier and how the concept of static electricity is applied. Right? I hope all of you would raise the exam. Due to shortage of time, we are unable to make the summary notes, but inshallah in the near future, right? For any queries, do write it in the comments.